Mi una ori. Ti una or. Ta una or. Te una ori. In plural sense. We meet ami unayar. Tumi una orai. Tanu unai tara. Homo janelu. Here I am Tapatashima from Noshipi Morpidal. Again I have come up with a new video on learning Vishnu Priya Manipuri. Today I am going to share some sentences using the verb meet. Meet means unaoni. Meet means unaoni. These sentences will be expressed in different tenses such as present indefinite tense, past indefinite tense, and future indefinite tense. I hope you all will like today's lesson as usual. So be with me till the end. Let me begin the class with present indefinite tense. The first sentence in present indefinite tense is I meet. I means me, meet means unaoni. So it will be I meet mi una ori. Mi una ori. Mi una ori. Mi una ori. You meet. You means ti. Meet means unaoni. So it will be you meet ti una or. He meets. He means ta. Meet means unaoni. So it will be he meets ta una or. She meets. She means they. Meet means unaoni. So it will be she meets they una oiri. I repeat, they una oiri. So the first sentence is mi una ori, ti una or, ta una or, te una oiri. I meet mi una ori, you meet ti una or, he meets ta una or, she meets te una oiri. If these sentences will be expressed in plural sense, then they will be we meet. We means ami, meet means unaoni, so it will be we meet ami unayar. Ami una oyar. Ami unayar. You meet. You means tumi, meet means unaoni, so it will be you meet tumi una orai. Tumi unarai. In short, we say tumi unarai. Okay? It's clear? They meet. They means tanu. They meet tanu unaitara. Tanu una oitara. In short, tanu unaitara. Okay? Tanu unaitara. They meet means tanu unaitara. So it will be we meet ami unayar. You meet tumi unarai. They meet tanu unaitara. Secondly, how these sentences will be expressed in past indefinite tense in Vishnu Priya Manipuri. The first sentence is I met. I means me, met means unasilu. I met me unasilu. Me una osilu. In short, me unasilu. Okay? Me unasilu. You met ti unasile. Ti una osile. Ti unasile. He met ta unasil. Ta unasil. She met te unasili. Te una osili. Now, let me express these sentences in plural sense, such as we met. Ami unasilang. Ami unasilang. In short, ami unasilang. You met. Tumi unasilai. Tumi unasilai. They met. Tanu unaosila. Tanu unasila. They met. Tanu unasila. So it will be we met ami unasilang. You met তুমি unasilai. They met tanu unasila. Now, let me share the sentences in future indefinite tense using the verb meet. The first sentence is I will meet. I will meet. I means me. Meet means una oni, so it will be I will meet me unaito. Me una oito. Me unaito. You will meet. You means ti. Meet means una oni, so it will be you will meet ti unaite. Ti una oite. Ti unaite. He will meet. He means ta. He will meet means ta unaitoi. Ta una oitoi. Ta unaitoi. She will meet te. She means te, so it will be she will meet te unaitoi. Te unaitoi. I'll meet me unaito. You will meet ti unaite. He will meet ta unaitoi. She will meet te unaitoi. It's clear? Again, these sentences will be expressed in plural sense. The first one, we will meet. We will meet. We means ami will meet unai tangai. We will meet ami unai tangai. Una oi tangai. Unai tangai. Ami unai tangai. Second one is you will meet. You means tumi. You will meet tumi unai tarai. Tumi una oi tarai. Tumi unai tarai. They will meet. They means tanu. They will meet tanu unai tai. Tanu una oi tai. Tanu unai tai. Tanu unai tai. I repeat. We will meet ami unai tangai. You will meet tumi unai tarai. They will meet tanu unai tai. It is clear? I hope it's clear to you all. If you have any doubt regarding this topic, write down in the comment box. I'll make it clear. So, thank you everyone for listening me. Meet you again. Dhanabad. Namaskar.